So we are headed to the allotment today, but I don't think we're going to get much done. We worked a ton in the backyard yesterday, so we're super tired and it's quite hot out right now. It says in the sunshine it's 30 degrees Celsius, so, or 85, 87. And so it's too hot to be working in the full sun, so we'll probably spend more time sitting around. Plus we're going to have a couple friends meet us over there. But we are hopefully going to try and get a couple fence posts in today and put up the second chicken wire. And other than that, I'm not sure how much we're gonna get done today. Plus we spent a lot of time cutting up wood, collecting it, and we built a gate, but we just don't have all the hardware we need to put the gate up. So that's what we're gonna get done today, so come along with us. Great, so we made it to the allotment and we're fairly confused because it was supposed to open on May 2nd and today is May 4th. Yeah. And it's not open. There's no water running. The gate isn't open. And we packed... No, it's fine. We packed so much stuff and now we have to walk it from our vehicle all the way to our allotment, which we were not expecting. So I'm glad because we were going to pack even more than what we packed. Yeah. So I'm glad that we didn't take too much stuff.
I think we didn't rent a U-Haul or something to bring soil. That was the other. Hey, look at all this wood buried in Johnny's.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know. Like had we planned for a lot of stuff to be open, that wouldn't have worked out.
I don't really know.
So now we get to trek all our belongings.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess like coming off of the slump of winter where you don't really do much work to summer where. And like especially now I find like we don't really have much spring anymore. Like it really goes from winter to summer for it to be like, I think this Wednesday night it's supposed to go down to 1 degree, which is wild that it's 30 today and it's gonna be 1 degree. So it makes it really hard with your seedlings too because you can't plant them out even though the days are so nice.
Okay, so I need you to pull this. And we're going to tighten it as far as tight as possible. We're going to go as far as you can take this rolled out. And then at some point I'm going to start stapling this guy in here. But I'm holding this so you don't know what. Hope it makes it all the way to that end, or else this is more than 25.
Okay, but why aren't you stapling it as we go?
Because
I feel like it's better.
Okay, give me a sec. I will do it. Okay, let's get this as tight as possible. Just need to roll that out still. Oh, let's staple it onto this post. Okay. Oh man.
No, we'll go say hi.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go say hi.
Whew.
We're such a good girl.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We don't pay for anything. You'll have to go through city's insurance. Do you see the size? Oh, you brought that. You don't want to use my other level I brought?
You brought another level?
Yeah, I think it would offend.
This doesn't offend me.
No, they're not that one.
The other one.
Yeah. Oh, the other one? Oh, yeah, I probably would. I haven't even seen
put
it, but I'm pretty sure.
Oh, where did I put it?
Is that good?
Next piece is going to go behind.
Yeah, or we put it right above.
I guess
Or
you
like
can put
under
that
it.
through
Under
you.
it. No, just go under and over.
Yeah,
Under
sure,
and
why
over.
not?
Let me get some more screws.
Good girl. So we just finished hanging out with our friends and put all of the stuff back in the car and used them to help us carry all of the heavy weight of the tools.
They were super helpful today, which was saved us like hours worth of work.
Yeah.
Which was awesome.
Yeah. So me and one of our friends weeded and the other one helped Colin with the posts. So we're just going to show you guys what we got accomplished today. And then we'll be back again to keep working on the fence after, but at least we can show you what we did get done. So we got in 2 of these posts so far, and we built a gate at home, but we needed a couple pieces of hardware for it, so we didn't go buy it. So we're gonna put this up next time. So pretend we've got the door here, and then you come in, and we wanted to make sure that it's really wide, so that way if we have the wheelbarrow, we can make sure that the wheelbarrow fits in here. And I'm thinking now that we see this, that maybe we'll make these come out to the same width that the post is at. Some of them are. And then we also realized over the winter that it seems like the snow moved the mounds, that they were a lot taller, and that water runoff has actually made them go down. And it explains why we see a lot of the allotments have like 1 by 5s or 1 by 6s along the edge of their gardens. We were like, why would you make a raised bed here? But now I kind of understand, with the water that is pushing all of the erosions, we might end up doing that here too. But let me show you the other fence that we built. Oh, before that, we finished most of this. We did run out of some chicken wire, but we got all the way to here, and this is good enough, I think. I don't think we need to do anything about this. It's junky looking, but you can see a nice good view here. And then we have this really wide too, because we're going to put a compost bin and a rain barrel in here, so I wanted to have enough space. And then once we figure out where the composter and the rain barrel go, then we'll extend these further, because you can see how wide this pathway is, and it doesn't really need to be this wide. And then let's go see the other fence. So a couple things that we still need to do. We need to put in a post right here, but what we were doing was just finding wood that we had around the property, so that way this costs as little as possible. So we found some 2x2s in the backyard that we are using as our posts. And then this is the wood that we picked up off of Facebook from an old deck from a neighbor. And so we're just building like your farm style type of fence. And then I think we're going to put chicken wire along the bottom, maybe a 2-foot tall chicken wire, just to help keep the rabbits out of here. It's not going to keep the mice out, but the skunks, the rabbits, groundhogs, it should help keep out. And so we've got 2 panels done so far. And then we just need 1 more here to finish this fence line here. And then again, we're going to do another gate door right here, so that way, since the water hookup is back there, I can hook up the water and come through here without having to go all the way around and throwing it over the fence, just to have the access. And then of course we've kept this pathway here available for everybody who needs access to their allotments. I just thought it was a nice thing to do.